This is the next problem which is asked in VTU question paper. So for the system shown in figure, obtain solution of voltage and angles of bus 2 and bus 3 at the end of first iteration or one iteration using GS low flow method. Use flat start. Okay, line data is in impedance form. Okay, which is asked in December 1920 question paper, 6 marks. Okay, this is the network shown. Okay, first bus is a slack bus data is given. Okay, and second bus PQ bus, third bus is a PQ bus. The datas are given. First, what we have to do is note down the datas given. Okay, first bus is a slack bus. For slack bus, P and Q are not given. The second bus is a PQ bus, P and Q are given. Third bus is a PQ bus, P and Q are given. Okay, bus code from 1 to 2. Impedance value. Okay, we have impedance value, but we need admittance. Just take the reciprocal. Okay, we get 0.495 minus J of 4.95. Since all the line impedances are same, line admittances are also same. First, you have to write down the given data. Okay, then you find out the admittance. Once we find the admittance values, form the Y bus. Y bus is equal to Y11, Y12, Y13, Y14, sorry, Y21, Y22, Y23, Y31, Y32, Y33. Okay, what is Y11? Y11 is equal to Y11 is equal to Y12 plus Y13. Similarly, Y22 is equal to Y12 plus Y23. Y33 is equal to, only 3 pieces are there. Y33 is equal to Y23 plus Y13. Okay, what is Y12? It is minus Y12. Similarly, which is equal to Y21. What is Y13? It is minus Y13. Okay, Y23, which is minus Y23. Y23 is equal to Y32. Okay. Okay, or substituting all the data, we get this matrix. Okay, this matrix we get. After getting this matrix, okay, the second bus and third buses are PQ buses. We need to find out the value of V2, and along with this, we need to find out the value of delta. Okay, V2 magnitude as well as delta. The formula is like this: 1 divided by Y22 into P2 minus JQ2 divided by V2 0 conjugate minus Y21 V1 1 minus Y23 V3 0. So just substitute the values we have here. 1 divided by Y22 value 0.99 minus J 9.9 minus P2 value which is 1 minus J 0.25 V2 1 at an angle 0 minus Y21 which is 0.495 plus J 4.95. Okay, V1 value which is given 1 at an angle 0. Okay, 1 at an angle 0 minus Y23 which is minus 0.495. Okay, Y23 plus J 4.95 into V3 1 at an angle 0. Okay, on calculating we get answer 0.9650 minus J 0.095. Okay, when we convert it into polar form we get 0.9699 at an angle minus 5.77. So V2 magnitude which is 0.9699 per unit, okay, as well as delta 2 which is minus 5.77 per unit. Similarly, calculate the value of V3 by taking I is equal to 3, third bus, 1 divided by Y33 P3 minus JQ3 divided by V3 0 conjugate minus Y31 V1 1 minus Y32 V2. Just substituting 1 divided by Y33 minus 0.99 minus J 9.9 P3 minus JQ3, the value is 0.5 minus J 0.25 V3 0 which is 1 at an angle 0 minus Y31 which is minus 0.495 plus J 4.95 V1 which is 1 at an angle 0 minus Y32 which is minus 0.495 plus J 4.95 into 1 at an angle V2 is equal to, just now we have calculated, just substitute that 0.9699 at an angle minus 5.77. On solving this, we get 0.9525 minus J 0.0963 per unit. Okay, so when we convert it into polar form, we get 0.9575 at an angle minus 5.77. Here V3 magnitude which is 0.9575, okay, delta 3, okay, which is minus 5.77. Okay, next problem, which is also video asked question. One line diagram of power system is shown in figure. Using GS method, determine complex voltage at bus 2 at the end of first iteration. Given V1 is equal to 1 at an angle 0, okay, and P2 plus JQ2 value is given minus 5.96 plus J 1.46. We don't want P2 plus JQ2, just remember we want P2 minus JQ2. V3 is equal to 1.02, it is given because third bus is a PV bus, it is mentioned here, and Z12 value is given, Z23 value it is given. So it is asked us to calculate the value of complex voltage only at bus 3. Further calculations are not required. Okay, just remember that. It is asked in July 19 question paper, VTU question paper. Okay, so first bus is a slack bus, second bus is a load bus, or looking at the data we can say this is a PQ bus or load bus. Okay, third bus is a PV bus because V is mentioned. Okay, and we have to calculate, first step we have to calculate the value of Y12, Y23 because Z12 and Z23 are given. The reciprocal of Z12 it is Y12, reciprocal of Z23 it is Y23. Okay, we got the answer. Next, Y bus is equal to Y11, Y12, Y13, Y21, Y22, Y23, Y31, Y32, Y33. Similarly, capital Y11 is equal to Y12, Y12 plus no other lines are connected to bus 1. So only 1, 2 is connected. Okay, this is second bus. Okay, 1, 2 is connected. So Y11 is equal to Y12. Y22 is equal to, for second node, 2 lines are connected, 1, 2 as well as 2, 3. So Y21 plus Y23. So Y33 is equal to Y23. Why? Because for third bus, only one line is connected, that is Y23. Okay, similarly Y21 is equal to minus Y12 which is equal to Y12. Similarly Y23 is equal to minus Y23 is equal to Y32. Okay, Y31 is equal to 0 because first bus is not connected to third bus. And form the Y bus is equal to Y11, Y12, Y13, y21, y22, y23, y31, y32, y32, y33. So this is the matrix Y bus. Okay, so we have to calculate complex power at bus 2. Okay, that's it. Okay, no other further calculations are required. V21 is equal to 1 divided by Y22, P2 minus JQ2 divided by V2 minus Y21 V1 1, Y23 V3 0. Okay, V2 0, it's not given, you have to take it as 1 at an angle 0, but V3 0 magnitude which is given 1.02. So delta 3 0, you assume it as 0 because assuming flat start. Next V3 0, it would be 1.02 at an angle 0 degree. Okay, so V2 is equal to minus 5.96 1 divided by minus 5.16 plus, okay, plus it's there, here we want minus j 1.46 divided by V2 0, 1 at an angle 0, okay, minus y21 it is 7.69 plus j 11.53 V1 it is given 1 at an angle 0 minus y23 minus 15.38 plus j 23. Okay, and V3 0, you have to take 1.02 at an angle 0 degree. Okay, 1 divided by y22 it is 23.07 minus j 34.61. Okay, simplifying we get 0.971 at an angle minus 8.16. So here V2 magnitude 0.971 per unit. Okay, delta 2 which is minus 8.16, okay, degree. Thank you.